What's up everybody, Mark Fleetwood here. Welcome back to the Daily Grind Trader. Tonight's video, shout out to the XRP army. XRP, we're talking about it. I talked about it earlier this week. Talked about the breakout. The breakout is here. It has happened. It is well out of this consolidation period. Excuse me, I'm stumbling over my words a little bit because this is very exciting. Now, today's video is going to be particularly about where to take profit. Some people I know struggle with knowing where to take their profits. And it has a lot to do with the type of trader you want to be. Are you going to be a margin trader looking for scalps or looking for quick hitters? Because I can give you a profit take for that. Are you looking for a long-term hold? Are you looking to hold for 3 weeks, a month, 2 months, and give you a target for that? And if you're a long-term holder, then that's what you're going to do. You're going to hold. You're going to hold by nature. But with that being said, guys, let's get right into it. And no, first and foremost, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Giving you some trading strategies, but I'm not telling you what to do. Please know I share my technical analysis. I do it publicly, but that's all. It's for entertainment, educational purposes only. So please know that you trade at your own risk. Now, with that being said, we're going to hop right in. We're on the daily chart right now, just because everything kind of looks easier on the daily. Now, if you bought on a retest or just slightly out of the first full candle out of the break, this third day here, this on the second, so yesterday would have been the full day out of the break. If you bought at 110.5, let's call it 111, you're up almost 13%. On margin, you're up almost 130%. Now, you can very easily take your money and run right now. I'm going to tell you that on margin, with the current state, where the market's going and how it's looking, the trajectory, I would set my first profit take here on the 382, on the 382 fib line. Because look, we've had multiple touches of resistance here. So we know this is a point of resistance. We know this is an area where the price is going to get stuck for a little bit, at least for a short period of time. There's going to be a stick here. So we're approaching it now. XRP is definitely approaching it now. But that area surrounding the 382 line would be a great area to take profit. You could hit it tonight, it might hit tomorrow morning, it might hit tomorrow. But either way, the most likely scenario is that it's going to hit this level, it's going to consolidate near it. It might hit a bull flag, it might hit a little consolidation area, a parallel channel right along this thing. But for quick hitter trades, that's where to get out. Now, if you're looking to say, hey, I've got a good bag, I've got more room to play with, I don't need to get out of this trade, where are my long-term goals? So long-term goals, if you're looking to trade and hold this for potentially 3 weeks to a month to 2 months, potentially holding the rest of this bull run, now you're going to want to get up and you're going to want to say that the 1.0 line, $2.32, is going to be the earliest you want to take profit. Now, of course, if you see a big reversal pattern happen, you know, a big evening start on the daily chart, you might get out a little early. If you see big bullish pattern, you know, a big candle blows right through this, blows right through this one line, you might say, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and wait for the 1618, because 1618 is typically where a wave would end. If this is a big 3 wave or an extension for a large bull run that we think is going to happen, that the alt season that we think is happening, the 168 at 342 is a great area to take profit. And then if we really extend, 522 would be the absolute, that's my absolute highest. I think at that point I start to get really get fear of heights, and I'm out, because I just don't want to catch that big dump. The higher it goes, the faster it dumps, and you could lose a lot more than what you could potentially gain by holding any longer. Now guys, with that being said, this is simply a checkup on XRP. The breakout is clean, we're looking good, and it's still strong, rising, with Bitcoin even being down a little bit. Like right now, Bitcoin is struggling a little bit to the downside, and it's still holding on the 25-day moving average. So it's still above the 25-day moving average, so nothing to be concerned about, nothing to be worried about. It's consolidating right before this neckline. When it goes, it's going to go pretty big. Like, it's going to make a move pretty big up through this neckline. But that's neither here nor there. Right now, we see XRP moving independently of it, which is really good. When a breakout is strong, it can move independently of Bitcoin to a degree. Now, if Bitcoin dumps by 8 or 10%, this breakout's going to be done, and it's just what it is. Unfortunate, but it is the way of the market, guys. Again, real quick to reiterate, short-term profit takers, you're looking right here at around 128.9 to 129. Anywhere in this range, you can set to take profit, because it should hit there relatively quickly. You can get out and you can get into something else that's looking to break out of a wedge or break out of the same thing. If you're constantly looking for quick, 10%, 12%, 15%, those quick hitters, get out there. If you're a long-term XRP holder, or trying to get this whole swing, you're trying to get this whole extension, don't even think about getting out before the 1.0, $2.32, and you're really looking for 342. 342 is really going to be your target. And then if you get really lucky, you get into 522. So with that being said, guys, quick hitter, that's the video for tonight. If you're in XRP, I hope you're enjoying this. I hope you make your money, and I hope this helps you find points to get out, depending on what your style of trading is. So with that being said, guys, hope you enjoyed, and as always, until next time, peace.